So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook app sending too many notification, stop alert and spam. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Outlook sending a lot of notifications, so first thing is guys, you check your Outlook notification settings. Outlook may be set to notify for every folder. For this, first of all, open your Outlook application. After that, go and click on your profile icon. In the profile icon, guys, go to the option of setting. Here you tab on the setting. In the setting section, guys, go to the option of notification. Okay. And guys, here you choose your focused inbox only. Here you see all mails. So please not select all mails. Focused only inbox mail. Mark it. This. Okay. Another thing is, guys, you turn off the notification of other folder. Okay. For this, you simply use the same way. And on DND, here is your DND if you want to activate the DND. And here you custom actions, badge notification. Okay, here you check, select all mail, favorite people. If you want to get more filter, then you can. So you also use the settings. Okay, and if you want to disable, so you just click and disable your notification. Okay, then guys, you adjust your Android notification category. And guys, you also check your main setting of your application. For this, simply go and long press on your Outlook info, then click info and open it. And guys, here you see the option of notification. Okay, so guys, here you check its lock screen, pop-up badges, show notification detail. And guys, here you see which notification that you get: event reminder, mail, downloads, in support app, and info. If you want to turn off any of them, so you just mark it, just click on it, and you just turn off. So these are the way just you adjust your Android notification category for the Outlook. Okay, and guys, you turn off your sync for unnecessary account. Multi account increase the notification. So guys, you try to change and remove your unused account. For this, simply open your application again, click on your profile, and guys, here you go to the settings. In the settings, go to the option of section account, and guys, here if you have the extra account, so you just remove it. So these are the basic things that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.